Next one is our intersecting lines. When two lines pass through each other and have a common point are called intersecting lines. Okay. In intersecting lines, two lines pass with or cross with each other and they meet at a common point are called intersecting lines. Look here. Here is line M and here is line N. Okay. And both have meet at point O. Okay. This type of lines are called intersecting lines. Okay. And the point O is also called point of intersection. Okay. Or intersecting point. Okay. So what will be our example? Crossroad. Okay. Next one is our parallel lines. When two lines do not meet with each other and the gap between them are same are called parallel lines. Okay. In intersecting line, both lines intersect or meet at a common point, but in parallel lines they do not meet with each other. Okay. And the gap between them are same. Gap means, look here. Here is line M, L, and here is line M. They don't meet in our both the direction. Line L goes endlessly in both direction and line M goes endlessly in both direction. And look here, the gap between the two lines are same at any point. Okay, such type of lines are called parallel lines. Look here, line L and M are parallel. Now we can say that both the lines are parallel. And we can also use a symbol for parallel lines. Line L is parallel. This is the symbol of parallel lines to line M. Okay. The opposite edges, the example of parallel line will be the opposite edges of a ruler. Okay. Railway lines, etc. Okay. Next one is ray. Okay. Note it down. A ray is a portion of a line. Okay. It starts at one point and goes endlessly in a direction. Okay. Look here. A ray starts from a point O and goes endlessly towards A. Okay. Arrow mark means the length of the ray we cannot measure. Okay. It will go endlessly at a direction. Means here the ray moves towards A indefinitely. Okay. A ray has one endpoint. The starting point of the ray is 1. Okay. Look here. Here I have drawn a ray O and A. We can write it as OA ray, or in symbolically we can write OA and the symbol of ray on OA. Okay. And we cannot say the name of the ray as AO because A is not the starting point of the ray. starts from O, then from the starting point you will have to name the ray, not AO. It will wrong. Okay. Example of ray will be sun rays or rays of light from a torch, etc. Okay. So this is all about our today's topic. I hope you understood it properly and do all the numbers from your exercise. See you in the next class. Bye.